students. Today I will tell you about India and the modern world. Yes, it is the lesson 1 history. The modern age. Yes, the history of our country is divided into ancient, medieval and modern period. That you learned before. Over the last 2 years, you have been introduced to the ancient and medieval period of Indian history. This year, you will learn about the modern period of Indian history. This is usually considered to begin with the conquest of India by the British in the 18th century, extending till India became independent in 1947. Yes, the modern age is the third of the historical period in which the universal history is conventionally divided. This historical period ranged from the 15th to 18th century. Now come to main characteristics of modern ages. First is globalization. The age of discovery has been mentioned as one of the possible starting point of the modern age. Voyages and discoveries of new countries, territories and continents of which there was no knowledge of their existence represent an important change in diverse areas as the commerce, the culture, the religion. Next come industrialization. The large scale of production of goods in factories using machines and power. Next come urbanization. The movement of people from villages to towns and cities in search of the better quality of life. Next comes science and technology. Science and its application in technology greatly improved life in developed countries by curing diseases and creating a lifestyle of comfort. Some of the features of modern age include: it has been marked by significant development in the field of science, literature, art, politics, warfare, technology, etc. Next, it is also known as the age of globalization and discovery, that I told you here also. And in about next is, it also saw the rise of European powers and their dominance over colonial powers. So here are some features and characteristics I told you about the modern world. Next day, the rest. Thank you.